This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device. Back up to iTunes now so you can restore if something goes wrong. Connect the iPhone with the original USB cable and make sure it has more than 50% battery or is plugged in. Install or update iTunes on your computer, or, on Mac OS Catalina and later, use Finder instead. This matters because iTunes handles the firmware transfer. Once done, unlock the phone and trust the computer when prompted. This establishes a secure data channel for the update. Now you check for and download the update through iTunes or Finder. Select your device, click Check for Update, then choose Download and Update. iTunes downloads the IPSWA and verifies its signature to prevent corrupted or unauthorized installs. While the computer extracts and sends the firmware, you'll see two progress bars, one for download and one for install on the phone. Make sure you do not disconnect the USB cable and keep the computer awake. Interrupting the process can leave the device in recovery mode, which you want to avoid. To finish, let the iPhone reboot and complete any on-device setup prompts. You may need your Apple ID password to reactivate services. If the update fails or the device is stuck on the Apple logo, put it into recovery mode and use iTunes to restore. Understand this erases the device, so only do it if you have a backup. Finally, once restored, use your latest backup to recover apps and settings. If problems persist, try another USB port, cable, or a different computer to rule out hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.